Saratoga Springs High School community. My name is Ms. Michelle Tsao and I'm the high school principal. And welcome to tonight's open house program. As you know, we want to keep our building safe and healthy, and that is why we're doing a virtual program this year. You should have received an email with specific details relating to our open house program. On the back of that paper, you will have seen your child has filled out a schedule with their teacher names. Please refer to that paper from your child in order to access the Zoom links. On the morning of open house, October 7th, we will send an email specifically to our parents and guardians with the access to the Zoom links for all the teachers in the building. Again, please use that schedule to access the Zoom links for your child's teachers. The open house program is meant for our teachers to provide you with expectations for all of their classes. If you have any specific questions or concerns, please reach out to your child's teacher after the program. Each of our assistant principals will now provide you with a special message. We hope you enjoy the program and thank you for joining us tonight.
Hi, my name is Mr. Conley. I'm one of the assistant principals here at the high school, and I work closely with school counselors Mrs. Kucher and Mrs. O'Connell. We would love your children to take advantage of all of our academic supports, including flex and after-school help on Tuesdays and Thursdays.
Hi, my name is Stacy Ralston. I'm one of the assistant principals here at the high school. If your child's school counselor is either Mrs. Lamar or Mr. Liacano, I am their assigned administrator. If your child is struggling this year and in need of any social or emotional supports, please either let the counselor or one of the assistant principals know, and we'll be happy to connect you with one of our support staff services, such as our psychologists, social workers, or one of the community agencies that we partner with. Again, thank you for being here. We appreciate your support, and we hope that your student has a great year.
Hello, my name is Joanna Friedman. I am one of the assistant principals at the high school. If your child's counselor is Mrs. Crary or Mr. Nelson, I am their assigned administrator. If you have any questions after tonight's program about your child's academics, please contact their counselor. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Kevin Wolpert, and I will be your son or daughter's administrator if you have Miss Allen, Miss Ambrosio, or Miss Grassi as their student counselor. I wanted to take a minute and thank you for being here tonight and encourage you to stay involved in your students' education. Please monitor their learning and let us know if you need anything. We really appreciate you being here tonight. Thank you.
Hello, Saratoga families. My name is Mary Alice Hipwell, and I am the new District Coordinator for Special Education, grades 9 through 12. I welcome you to tonight's open house, and I want you to know that I am here for your student. And please note that we will be following Zoom meetings throughout the course of the year, and I look forward to meeting you during those annual review meetings. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Nick McPartland, Director of Athletics, Health, and Physical Education. I hope everyone's off to a great start of the school year. If you ever have any questions related to athletics, health education, or PE, please come down and see me. Have a great night.